Promoting diversity in leadership. Promoting diversity in leadership is not just a global initiative, but a virtual aspect of Nigeria's socioeconomic development. In this video, we explore strategies and approaches specific to Nigeria for advancing diversity in leadership. 1. Gender quotas. Nigeria has made significant strides in promoting gender diversity in leadership through the use of gender quotas. The National Gender Policy of 2006 sets the goals of achieving 35% women's representations in public service. Political parties and government agencies have also been encouraged to adhere to these quotas. Highlighting the importance of these quotas and tracking progress is crucial. 2. Empowerment programs. Nigeria has various empowerment programs aimed at fostering women's leadership roles. Initiatives like the National Women Empowerment Fund and the Women in Politics Forums offer trainings, mentorship, and financial support to aspiring women leaders. Educating women about these opportunities is essential for their participation. 3. Cultural sensitivity. Nigeria culture plays a significant role in leadership dynamics. Promoting diversity requires cultural sensitivity and understanding. Leaders and organizations must acknowledge and respect cultural norms while challenging discriminatory practices that hinders women's advancement. 4. Women's networks. Women's professional networks and associations such as the Nigerian Women of Leadership and public service initiatives play a pivotal role in promoting gender diversity. Encouraging women to join and actively participate in these networks can provide valuable support and networking opportunities. 5. Educational initiatives. Addressing gender disparities in education is fundamental to promoting diversity in leadership. Investing in girls' education and advocating for equal access to quality education are vital steps. Additionally, promoting STEM education for girls can increase their representation in leadership roles in technology-driven sectors.